So now I would like to ask about an entirely different area. You before our interview, you said that you watch Malayalam films. Yeah. So tell us about your favorite Malayalam films and your the actors you know in Malayalam.
Well, see, I got inspired by Malayalam films because my father, he was in the Baba Atomic Research Center, and he was posted in various places, and he also hails from this Erode district. So he used to sing all the songs from the movie called Chemmi. Okay, so he used to sing very well, and I still it keeps ringing that I don't remember the lyrics exactly. Ta-ra-ra, ta-ra-ta-ra, ta-ra,
Chagara kadapurthunnu sorry.
No, that one and something like that. I don't remember the lyrics at all, but I think
the songs were composed by Salil
Chaudhary.
Yeah, Pennale.
Right. So I used to hear my songs, right from my, he used to sing this. So I'm inspired by that, and I like the language very much. I cannot speak, but I understand from the context. I'm trying to develop now. Next time I will speak Malayalam. I promise when I come to Kerala, I will speak Malayalam. So I really like, I've watched movies like Orekadal was a very nice movie. Yeah. The songs are beautiful. Meera Jasmine, I think she acted, right? And so I really like Malayalam movies and.
Okay, yeah. So can you play Pennale or the other song?
No, maybe next time because I haven't practiced those songs. But yeah. I really like the watching, and Malayalam movies. They have a very, they have a lot of depth. There's so much of story. Like I've watched Mammootty sir's and Mohanlal sir's movies and all. So a lot of depth. I think Jayachandran is the other. Jayachandran.
He's a composer and
yes.
There are two Jayachandrans. One is a singer and other is a composer.
Yes. So I've heard his music also. I think he also there was a Tamil movie called I think Kanchivaram. I think Kanchivaram. So I think in that. He has composed music, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah. So
the movie is directed by Priyadarshan, right?
Yes. Yeah. So see, there is so much of Malayalam influence, in the international arena. Actually, I would say, and so I have always been inspired watching these movies, and the way the music is also composed, the background music and all that. There is so much of depth in it. So I like to. Even for my compositions now for the films, I am trying to take inspiration from all those directors. And let us see how it works out, how it shapes out.
Yeah. So we are coming to the end of this segment. So can you play one more bit for our viewers?
Sure. Yeah. So I'll start. I'll start with one raga.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah. I'll start with one raga and go to another one.
Okay.
This is the. I'm not very this thing with that familiar with the time. I've learnt it recently.
Okay.
This is Omanat Tingal. So from that I will go to another raga. Yeah. Okay. So you can hear that.
പ്രേക്ഷകരോട് അത് പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഇതിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. എല്ലാവരും ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ ഒരു തവണയെങ്കിലും ഇത് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. That was Neelambari, right?
Yeah, that was Neelambari. And this is another dola in Ragam Madhyamavati. the aim of a flutist is to, make it look like I'm singing. So I'm singing Jojo, okay? So that's how it translates.
Thank you, Dr. Jayaprada. Thanks a lot
Thank
for being
you.
a part of our show.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. Thank you. So for the Karali TV viewers, my namaskaram.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.